So, kasi alam ko talaga that the Sea Life will be a stepping stone for all our believers and non-believers na rin to meet Christ.
I have a lot of trouble talking to people or specifically connecting with them.
Being disciple po, mas na-realize ko po na may mga bagay pala tayo na hindi natin nakikita. Dapat pala yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin, laging si Jesus ang foundation.
You have to learn, you have to know, you have to meet them not just by their name but by their heart. Ano ba'y passion nila? Ano ba'y gusto nila? Doon ako pumapasok bilang leader na, ito pala yung kanyang character, ito pala yung personality niya. So, doon po natin sinisimulan na kilalanin at i-share kung ano pa yung mga experiences ko at saka yung mga learnings na pwede kong impart sa kanila.
Binigyan po ako ng paano pa ba tayo mapapalapit sa Panginoon bukod sa pagsisimba at pagbabasa ng word niya. Yun po, ministry po talaga kasi kailangan po natin ng commitment sa church, kailangan din po tayo ng mga taong nasa paligid natin at kailangan din po tayo ng simbahan.
It definitely helped me strengthen my commitment to God because I used to be a kids staff teacher. From that to a service director. When I received the calling from God that I should leave and go be a director, they kept on encouraging me to just follow God's word.
Before, we were self-reliant.
We were hesitant.
Now, by God's grace, we are becoming more spirit-led in serving and following Jesus.
We are becoming more fulfilled in serving and following Jesus.